In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove video backgrounds in Canva using a new one-click feature. First things first, to get started, you'll need to head over to the Canva website and log into your account. Now, it's important to note that you'll need a Canva Pro account to access this feature. But not to worry, Canva offers a free 30-day trial for new users, which includes all the Pro features. It's a great opportunity to explore what Canva has to offer without committing right away. Once you're in Canva, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find a suite of creative tools below the search bar. For removing backgrounds from videos, click on the video icon to open a new project. Let's create a video canvas with a landscape orientation, specifically 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is the standard HD resolution and works perfectly for most uses. Next, move your attention to the left menu panel and click on Uploads. If you haven't already uploaded a video, now is the time to do so. You can upload your own file directly from your device. Once your video is uploaded, click on the Videos tab to view it. Now, you can either drag and drop or simply click the video to get it onto your canvas. With your video in place on the canvas, it's time for the magic step, removing the background. You'll see an option labeled BG Remover, or Background Remover, near the top area of the Canva interface when your video is selected. Clicking this will instantly begin the process of erasing the background from your video. The technology here is pretty impressive. It quickly analyzes and removes the background while preserving the subject of your video, making it stand out beautifully on a plain or new backdrop. Once your video background is removed, you might want to change the surroundings to better suit your design needs. To do this, click on the canvas itself to bring up background options. You can easily swap out the existing canvas color by changing it from the side menu. Choose a color that complements your subject. Canva provides a palette for easy selection or allows you to input specific color codes if you have a branded shade in mind. Finally, it's time to preview your project to ensure everything looks just the way you want. Take a moment to play through the video with the new background setup. Looks good? Then go ahead and save your work. Canva gives you options to download your video in various formats or share it directly to your social networks. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to remove video backgrounds with a single click in Canva. Enjoy exploring the creative possibilities.